Crash course on Panama. Folk art. Panama is rich in cultural heritage, and its folk art traditions are an integral part of its cultural identity. Let's delve into the world of Panama's folk art and explore its significance. Folk art in Panama. Panama's folk art is diverse and vibrant, showcasing the creativity and craftsmanship of its people. Two prominent forms of folk art in Panama are molas and chitré. 1. Molas. Molas are colorful embroidered textiles made by the Guna indigenous people. They feature intricate designs and motifs, depicting animals, nature, and traditional stories. Molas are often used to adorn clothing, accessories, and home decor items. 2. Chitré. Chitré is a traditional form of painted earthenware that originated in the Azuero Peninsula. Skilled artisans create unique pottery pieces, including dishes, vases, and decorative objects. The colorful designs reflect Panama's flora, fauna, and cultural symbols. These folk art traditions play a significant role in preserving Panama's cultural heritage and are highly valued by both locals and visitors. Interesting stories and examples. The art of molas has been passed down through generations among the Guna people. Each mola is meticulously handcrafted, with layers of fabric stitched together and intricate patterns created using a reverse applique technique. Chitré pottery has a long history dating back to pre-Columbian times. The techniques and designs have evolved over centuries, reflecting the influences of various cultures, including Spanish, African, and indigenous traditions. Top 12 attractions of Panama folk art. 1. Museum of Contemporary Indigenous Art, Panama City. 2. Cuna, San Blas Islands. 3. Penanome Market, Cocal Province. 4. Chitré Pottery Workshop, Herrera Province. 5. Panama Viejo Archaeological Site, Panama City. 6. El Val de Anton Artisan Market, Cocal Province. 7. Embera Village Tour, Chagres National Park. 8. Diablo Rojo Bus Art, Panama City. 9. Artisan Market of Portobello, Colón Province. 10. Gatun Locks Visitor Center, Panama Canal. 11. Saragua National Park, Herrera Province. 12. Boquete Handicrafts Market, Chiriquí Province. Summary. Panama's folk art traditions, including molas and chitré pottery, are a testament to the country's rich cultural heritage. These art forms showcase the creativity and skill of Panamanian artisans and hold deep cultural significance. Exploring Panama's folk art is a captivating journey into the vibrant and diverse tapestry of the country's cultural identity. Poem about Panama. In Panama's land, where colors bloom, folk art tells stories, dispelling gloom. Molas and chitré, with crafts so grand, weaving traditions, by gifted hands. Molas, a tapestry of vibrant threads. Guna's legacy, where culture spreads. Stitch by stitch, a tale unfolds. Nature's wonders, stories untold. Chitré pottery, from clay they mold. Painted beauty, symbols of old. Flora and fauna, in patterns unite. Panama's essence, shining bright. In markets and museums, art comes alive. Preserving heritage, for all to thrive. Through folk art's embrace, we find our way. Panama's soul, forever in display. *****. Start planning your next global adventure with ease and convenience with our Booking.com referral link. https://www.booking.com/index.html $aid = 7989335. Thank you for supporting our Anhub Metaverse channel, and please subscribe and watch more interesting videos here.